71 Land Rover Defender 110. Possibly the most desirable four-wheel drive on the market at the moment. People are going nuts for Defenders. This car is finished in Fuji White. It's a 71, practically brand new, done 2,000 miles. But it's the way the car's been spec'd. So it's Fuji White, but it's got all that black styling. So it's got a black exterior pack. So you can see the badging in the front section there's all been done in gloss black, and all the other sections. Bonnet decals, 19-inch wheels, again finished in high gloss black. The side steps, if you look round the outside, again, they are black. Contrasting black roof with a contrasting black roof rails, mud flaps. 250 brake horsepower, so it's the D250. Got to be very careful. There's that many different models and the prices vary. This car's going up for £76,990. Put in on Auto Trader, on your search engines, 71 Land Rover Defender 110s. It is the best buy by none by thousands of pounds. And like I said, it's a 71, it's done 2,000 miles, and it's priced the #1 buy in the country. Exterior wise, I've spoken about the black styling, the wheels, the contrast roof, but inside it's got the sliding panoramic sunroof, which is a massive option, £2,000 extra, and it's got a detachable Towbar and a full-size spare wheel cover as well. So it's got brilliant specification, extra brake horsepower. It's the 3-litre engine and it's the 250. Makes a big difference to how the car performs from the 200 to 250. It's all keyless, so you've got the buttons on the door handles, and you press them and then the car opens. And then as we move on inside, the car's got full leather, so full black ebony leather, which is heated. And then you've got all your other features that you get as standard. So you've got your new model screen, your camera system, cruise control. It's got the glass roof, which I touched on earlier, which again is a massive option. And people, when they're ordering these cars, you know, they're expensive. And £2,000 for a sunroof's a lot of money when you're building the car, but this car's got it. It makes a huge difference as well. And then I touched on it earlier, you've got your new system, which is all your touchscreen. You've got your cameras, which is 3D. Off-road, you've got all the different towing features to help you. But this car, like I said, has got the detachable Towbar, all your different charging points. They're fantastic, aren't they? And trust me, they are becoming unbelievably popular. And this car, like I said, is a 71, so it's like new. 3 years warranty, 3 years Land Rover Assist. Privacy glass on the back. Bags and bags of space. Got rubber mats in there as well. Just an unbelievable four-wheel drive family. Bags of space. Beautiful specification. And most importantly, the best buy in the country. Even the letter in there, you can see the Defender's been done in black. The cubed lights in the LED red against the black always looks superb. And then you can see you have detachable Towbar, never been used. Oh, and even an extra set of mats as well. So, you know, everything's with it. It's beautiful. It's available. It's going live on the website now. My number is on the bottom of the screen. Be quick. Just ring me direct. Get the car reserved. Come and pick it up tomorrow. And you'll be in a new 110 Defender, priced right with all the bits.